Hi guys, in this video we are going to work with associative property. So MIP 1501 student, it is very important to know these types of properties. Right, what is associative? Associative property means you can group numbers in different ways when you add or subtract them. Changing the grouping will not affect the answer. I hope you're nodding, guys. Associative property means you can group the numbers in different ways when you add or subtract them. Changing the grouping will not affect the answer. Right. Okay. Consider we are having 13 plus 9. Let's say you're having 13 plus 9. Okay. You're having 13 plus 9 plus 1 they're in the bracket. So remember what I said. I said that associative means you can group numbers in different way when you add or subtract them. Changing the grouping will not affect the answer. So I'm going to change the grouping. I will take 13 outside the bracket, then I will be left with 9. I'll put 9 plus 1 inside the bracket. Right? So 13 plus 9, that will give us 22 on the left hand side. Okay, we look at the left hand side now. Plus 1, what is that? That's 23. Okay, let's go to the other side. So this was the left hand side. Let's look at the right hand side. The right hand side, 13 plus 9, that's 22 plus 1. That will be 23. You can see that changing the grouping will not affect the answer, right? Let's look at our another question there. Let's say we're having integers. We're having -6 as well as okay, plus 4. Then let's close the bracket, plus -1. Okay, let's try to right, now we'll take -6 out, and we'll be left with plus 4 plus -1, close brackets there. Then let's work out the left hand side so that we know what is happening. This will be -6 plus 4 plus -1. What will happen? Let's see. -6 plus 4 is the same as -2 plus -1. So what is positive and negative? Remember in our previous video, I teach you about the signs, positive and negative. That's going to be negative. So you're going to be left with -2 minus 1. What is that? That's going to be -3. Let's go to the right-hand side. The right-hand side. So you'll be left with -6 here. 4 plus -4 plus -1, negative and positive, it will give you, right, let's see, it will give you +3, okay, it will give you +3. So this is the same as 3 minus 6, which is -3. So we can see that both of this, the left hand side and right hand side, are equal, right? So that's the end of associative property. Our third video in terms of the properties, it will be distributive property. So remember what I said. Associative property means you can group integers in different way when you add or subtract them. Changing the grouping will not affect the answer. Guys, let's grow this channel by subscribing. Remember, you only subscribe once. We really appreciate for those who subscribe, and let's grow this community as we are preparing for our road to distinction and the journey to pass MIP 1501. We love you.